How to manage autofill settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage autofill settings on Android phone. First, then open settings and then just go to security, and here we'll find password vault, or you can just type here password and scroll until you find password vault here, and then type your phone password, and here we'll find manage autofill settings, and here you can manage it. You can enable anything you want and you can disable it, and that's how to manage autofill settings on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.